Everyone has a moment when life stops making sense. A childhood marked by chaos, silence, and broken promises. Pain doesn't stop you. It only asks, what will you do next? Doubt creeps in, anxiety spikes, and still, you choose forward. The lessons that shaped a career, learned through fire. Failure isn't the end. It's the most honest teacher you'll ever meet. Courage, humility, gratitude. The real currency of a life well lived. Your story isn't over. It's just waiting for the next chapter. Overcome by Hugh M. O'Neill. The Pathway to Constant Momentum. Available now on Amazon.